If you are looking for a quick 20-minute egg curry recipe that's easy to make, delicious, and low in calories, then this video is for you. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen and you are looking for a quick and delicious egg recipe, then this video is for you. So if you are ready to get this video underway, please show some love by liking this video. Second, subscribing to the channel for many more quick and low calorie Indian recipes. And finally, leaving a comment down below. With that being said, let's jump into my kitchen. To a pan set to medium flame, add half a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, add a pinch of hing along with 1 chopped medium onion and 1 to 2 green chilies. Saute for about 2 minutes and then add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and continue sauteing until the raw smell of the paste goes away. Once the onions turn golden brown as such, add 1 medium tomato. I was out of tomatoes, so I added about half a tablespoon of tomato paste along with half cup of water. Once the tomatoes become soft, or in my case, once it's well blended in with the water and onions, let's go ahead and add the following spices. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and finally half teaspoon of garam masala. Once all the spices have combined well, add about 3/4 cups of water and give it a few more stirs. And finally drop in 6 whole eggs just like this and cover for about 5 minutes. Top it off with some fresh coriander leaves, and just like that, your delicious egg curry is ready. Moving on to the calories, guys, this entire recipe is to be divided into 3 servings, and each serving is about 200 calories, of which 9 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 13 grams are protein. Such a simple and delicious recipe, guys. Hardly takes 20 minutes to make. So do try it out. Let me know in the comment section below how it tastes. And if you want such meals in your diet and you are looking for one-to-one high accountability coaching, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram and I would be happy to help. And until next time, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.